Shower. I really did.
You saw an elf in the shower?
Yeah.
There is no elf in the shower. The shower is empty of elves.
But I really saw one.
Was it in the bath? In the cupboard?
No.
No. I think you dreamed.
I did it. I really did it.
You hold it like this. And point it. See? See if they're in the shower.
They're not in the shower. So I don't know where they are. So we have to find them. No.
Not in the shower?
No, but I really did saw one in the shower.
But there's not one there now.
Is Ari finding?
What was that?
I don't know.
That sounded gross, Fox.
No.
Let's go see what Ari is doing.
Wait for me.
What are you doing? Are you sleeping? Go sleeping. Shall I turn your light on, Ari? Shall I turn your light on, Ari?
No.
You want me to put Fox in your bed?
Yeah. Bye.
Hello? Foxy's come to say hello.
Hello. Put Foxy in my bed. Don't worry, Cat. You got me. I need to get you, Foxy.
You having a cuddle?
Daddy, come and see me and Fox.
Daddy's asleep.
He's asleep
dear.
in the morning. Daddy's asleep in the morning.
That's funny. What, babe?
Look.
What's it say? Make it and Ari a stinky.
I don't know why. We looked in all the rooms. And we looked in the box. And it was this. But Baba did we and Daddy didn't.
Is Daddy in the shower?
No. Daddy's downstairs.
Are you sure? What? They weren't there a minute ago. Why are the elves in the shower?
I just don't know.
Oh my goodness.
The baby one's at the top.
But they weren't there, we just checked.
I got wet.
Oh no, naughty. Those naughty elves.
Who can get the baby one?
Maybe that's why they said you were stinky. Well, that's just crazy. I was having a nice sleep. We better wrap them up. What have you lost?
The present.
Are you sure it's not in the elf's box?
No, it's empty.
Yeah, it's not in there. Do you want to go and look upstairs again in the shower, in Mummy's shower, and see if it's in there? Yeah, have a look in Mummy's shower.
Daddy,
Ari, go on up. Look in the normal shower first, Mika. Look in the big shower first.
big shower and the cross by cross.
Not in Mummy's shower, not in the big shower.
No.
Where should the present be?
We always had the present, so we just do the big calendar and see it's a note where we tell where the present
Yeah, you can have a look and see if it says anything in the big calendar. Number 19 today.
And we're 19.
1 and a 9. That's Ari's.
1 and
Anything in it?
2 little coins. And no.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Let's have a look and see where else it could be.
2 little coins.
Not here.
Is it under there?
No, it's not under the tree. Are you definitely sure it's not in the elf box?
No. I really don't think. It's funny.
What? You told me you looked in there.
What is it? It's a ball. Slime.
What is it? Let me see. Oh, it's a bath bomb with a ring in the middle.
A ring.
Wow.
Different kinds of
Yeah.
rings.
Should we do them in a minute after breakfast?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Come show me what you got.
A pumba cracker.
A pumba cracker. Are they your favourite?
Yeah. I can't go straight on these fingers.
Go show Daddy.
Mummy, the photo.
We have just done what?
Super big shopping.
A super duper, hooper duper big food shop for Christmas. And we
And we got a giant ticket.
We did get a giant ticket. And we got a giant chocolate gatto, didn't we?
Yeah.
We ready for Christmas now? Should we go home?
Yeah, let's take this.
Proper weird. We just looked out the window and there is an absolute shit ton of seagulls and we don't live near the coast. I'm just trying to show you. Right there. Doesn't even look that many now. There's loads of them. I don't know if it's going to focus on them. Can you see them? All those white bits, they're all seagulls and they go all the way along. There's loads and loads of them. So weird. And then there's more all over here as well. Proper strange. Lush is the sky today. Excuse me. What? Ben's just took, oh Christ, you're close. Ben's just took Fox out because me and the girls are going to make an apple pie. He's just took him to go and get some goose fat because I forgot it. And also to get some new shelves for the pantry. And he, no you can't have, she wants teething granules. And also get some shelves. And then he's forgot to change the bag. Literally just rang me and was like, did I pick the bag up? And I was like, you did not. It is here. So I'm just waiting for him to get back and I was just running out to him. And we're going to go and unbox. He's a completely different dog. Since the he's having these tablets, he's been running up and down the stairs, which he's not allowed to do because that's how he hurt himself to start with when he fell down. But your name's Luna. Her name's Luna apparently, not Mika. I don't know how far he got. He must have got quite far because he's not back yet. It's not him. So yeah, Ben was just telling me he's going to buy me for Christmas a tripod. Right, Ari? Okay. You got to do this one. You got to find number 19.
Wait, 19.
A 1 and a 9.
1 and 9. Nope. Nope. Me?
Yes. Oh. What is it? A liquid highlighter. Look, you'll like this. Put it in your hand. It's sparkly, look. Look at that.
I love heart.
You want a love heart?
Me too. I want a love heart too.
You've got a love heart.
Ah, so cute.
Very pretty. Show the camera. Very pretty, not that you can see it. It's like a golden highlighter. Very pretty. Right, cheeseburger. Oh, so you're just going to rub it everywhere, are you? Cheesy. Number 19. Bam, bam, bam. Ma. Ma.
Get away.
Ma. Is it heavy or light?
I'm a bit light.
A bit light.
And it's a bit big.
Oh, this is fancy pants. This is expensive. This is about £100. This is an Avon Hyaluronic Jojoba Pro Intense Illuminating Day Cream. And I'm very excited!
I got that.
The camera?
Is this?
Who are you talking to?
This 1 more, 2, 3.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. That means there's 6 more days until Christmas. 5 more. Just punching my boot. You don't punch people's boobies, Aria. You big meanie. Right, okay, you two go upstairs and tidy up. Mummy's going to peel the apples.
We already tidy up.
Okay, we'll go play them, or you can watch Netflix for a bit while Mummy peels the apples.
Netflix.
Netflix! Very excited about Netflix. Yeah.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all.
I was going to try lemon juice. Open your mouth. Mika's turn. Turn around, face Daddy. Here you go, Mika. Ready?
Nice, Ari. What do we think of lemon juice?
Dustin. Too sweet for me.
It's not sweet, it's sour. Hey, so I've been busy today. I've stocked the pantry with Christmas stuff. Ben has put the upstand on. Can't see it there, you can see it here, look. So, and then the tile is going to go above here. So that's all on now. I made soup. Done the apple pie, which you saw. And yeah, the girls have gone to bed. Fox has just had a bottle. I'm now making dinner for me and Ben. And I think that's it today. I think that's all we're doing. We're going to sit down and watch You. I've seen it before, but Ben hasn't. We started watching it a couple of days ago and he really liked it because the new season comes out soon. But yeah, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow for day 19, 20, 20? I don't know. I'm really confused with days.